So we just got to the rig and I was vertical jigging. Keeper flounder. How often does it happen that you catch a flounder at the oil rig? That is awesome.
Well, is there any catching going on out there yet? You call catching ladyfish catching? Save me some. Got it.
Nobody catching nothing but.
That's good bait, man.
Looks like we are. How pretty is that, dude?
Oh, I get that, but I'm trying to jig other species.
That's a keeper.
I hear you.
Not by a lot, but it's a keeper. Just got a keeper flounder at the rig, dude, on a vertical jig.
No way. You just caught a flounder? Vertical jig.
Yeah, as soon as it hit the bottom, man, I felt weight, and I was like, what in the hell?
Nice. Save me some of those, too. No doubt, I'll take a couple.
Yeah, and I'm marking something at the first rig, 20 feet deep, just can't get a bite.
You gotta talk nice to them. Talk sweet nothing.
Oh, there's another fish. Ooh, the very next cast, I'm pretty sure that's a ladyfish. If I could land the lady. Oh, I didn't land it, damn it. And I just missed that fish. He jumped right here at the top and it was over. It was over. Oh man, it got hit immediately. Again, pretty sure this is another lady. Maybe I can land some bait here. Oh no, that's a little good bait fish. I got something small on cut bait. Doesn't feel very big, but this is a big rod, so that's an undersized snapper. I think my bait got stolen over here. I'm gonna put this rod in the holder and check it. I know the bait didn't get stolen. There's a fish on there, dude. Well, this one's not quite a keeper, but they're getting a little better. Yeah, he's tangled me in the rig twice now. I'm gonna open my bail and see if I can get him to swim out. Oh, I got him back out now. All that trouble and he ain't even that big. All right, man, so we got a keeper vermilion snapper. Pretty fish, man.